Hi everyone, thanks so much for stopping by. My name is Bruce Schwartz. Hey, an issue happened the other day. I got a video flagged. The claimant report had the name Crow777 channel, but it wasn't him. Just to clarify that and get that out in the open, we will have an interview, Crow and I, probably, hopefully soon, to clarify that during the holidays to see what the heck happened. And at the same time, come talk about our telescopes. I'm looking forward to it because I've always wanted to talk to Crow, but unfortunately, YouTube made a little boo-boo. It was discriminating towards Crow777. My video went down. They told me it was because of him, and it was not. So just clarifying that, Crow had nothing to do with it. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks for spending Christmas with me, everyone. This is footage from the 23rd, but we're going to see footage from the 25th, the terminator line behind Mare Crisium, and here it's where it's going to be, and you'll see on the 25th footage. I'm going to show you the structuring here that's elevated as the terminator line is there now, moving over 30 to 40 miles a day approximately, that terminator line, and this is behind Mare Crisium. You see all the elevated structures, and that's what we're going to see. So here we're looking at footage on the 23rd to the left, the 25th on the right. Mare Crisium now plunged into darkness as the terminator line is. Are you seeing the elevation? Wow. Do you see the difference on the left of Mare Crisium? That giant boulder is not even seen at all in the footage on the left. And that's the amazing part. Well, it's Christmas, everyone. I hope you're all enjoying time at home with your families. I had a wonderful evening with my son. Even had time to get some videos up, but I mean, there's so many hours to a day when you stay up all night. And that's exactly what I did with my son, because I was staying up late to film the moon. Guys, I got such clear footage. Wow, wait till you see it. This is a nice glimpse of this video of the footage we're going to be working on for the next couple of days. Thanks for watching, everyone. So for Christmas, I don't think the moon people were that busy. I actually was surprised at how it really wasn't illuminated. I mean, don't forget, just a couple of days ago, this moon was completely full, entirely full. And the full moon shows us a very bright surface. Those just arriving to the channel, thanks for subscribing. And what I do is I follow that terminator line, the line of day and night, as it's moving along across the surface of the moon as the moon phase progresses, to be able to see the elevation and magnification of the surface details, objects, structures, anomalies, natural or not. We could really see a very good detailed view of the moon. So the moon was really clear last night, guys. Minus 13 degrees. It was cool outside, but no humidity, no wind. And wait till the next video. If you guys want to get in, we're going to get in really close. We're going to be looking at the surface colors and clarity. The small, as you'll see in this video, the small craterlets that are not seen ever by anybody, we could see them by zooming in with a telescope. And the way they appear is they oscillate, they appear, disappear, and when you're close enough, the craterlets remain there and you could see the surface detail. And I'm telling you, what people are saying are craterlets. These objects are in unison on the surface. There's no reason for anything to be side by side on the surface unless it was manipulated or constructed or put there that way by an intelligent being. Well, it's Christmas morning on the surface of the moon. The little aliens running freely in all the caves and caverns, as St. Nicholas is coming soon. The world has no idea how much preparation goes into Christmas holidays on the moon, as the aliens prepare their glass domes and reminisce their abductions this past June. The shopping malls are filled with grays and UFOs parked, hiding under the haze. Mr. Steve Towers, thank you so very much for the generous contributions, for checking out the research. Welcome.